Let's talk about the Apple Watch and the country of the watch based on the settings. So you might be interested in changing the country of your Apple Watch for whatever reason. You can do that by using the iPhone that is paired to your Apple Watch, as these devices are deeply connected. So on the iPhone, head over to the settings, and under the general, then language and region, you'll see the region settings. This lets you change the country of the Apple Watch alongside with the iPhone. As I said, it's all connected. Now you can scroll through the list to choose your desired country, perhaps even search for it, but there's one thing that I have to make clear. This whole process of changing the country will not really do much. I don't know what you're trying to achieve by doing this, but this region changing might only reflect in some apps being or looking different or some other minor changes, but it won't account to much. I know some people who want to change the country so they can get a specific app from the App Store, which is not available in theirs. This, what I'm showing you, doesn't apply to the App Store. Changing the country of the App Store is much more complicated than just the region of your Apple Watch. App Store includes payment methods, existing subscriptions, your home address, and other info that just cannot be changed with a click of a button. So as I say, this is much more of a process than it seems. If you're interested in changing the region of your Apple Watch App Store, I have some videos about it on my channel. Feel free to explore those. But that's going to be it for me now. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Please let me know down below in the comments if you achieved what you wanted to, and also just any other thoughts. Leave them below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.